What's up everyone? Happy to have you back for another video. Today I am outside, obviously, by my trailer because I need to clean it. I've gone on 2 4-week trips now without cleaning my Airstream and it is definitely dirty. I was at a Harvest Host location and there was another Airstream parked behind me and it was very clean and sparkly. So it's definitely encouraged me to clean my Airstreams, so I wanted to give a little bit of a tutorial on how I clean my Airstream by myself, because yeah, this thing, it's 23 feet and it's a pain to clean, not gonna lie. So if you guys have any suggestions, ideas, tips, whatever the case may be on maybe cleaning my Airstream a little bit more efficiently, please obviously leave them in the description below. But for now, let me go through some of the products that I will use when cleaning my Airstream. Okay, so as you can see, she's not sparkling, but she's also not necessarily the dirtiest. It's easier to tell in certain angles. But anyway, here is my bucket of goodies. I have my hand washing glove. I have a little like detail hand washer, especially when I'm trying to get into corners. I got my weegee, if that's what this is called, I'm not entirely sure. And then I have my microfiber cloths for drying, which will prevent scratching. I have my car wash soap, and I have my brush. So now I need to grab the ladder because I will be getting up top cleaning my solar panels. That's something that I've been slacking on. So as with most things, you clean from top to bottom, so that is what I'm going to get to. So let's get to it. Alright, so here's something that is fun. The other day, or the other week, I forgot to close my nice panel here, and there were high winds. So it broke. So it's open like this. And I found the replacement part. It's like $200 for the entire unit. But obviously I don't really want to spend $300 just to replace the entire unit, unless that is just what I have to do and there's nothing that I can change about that. But ideally I would like to find this, like the little piece, the little black piece that broke. But anyway, I'm sure I'm not the only one who's gone through this problem. So if anybody out there knows how I can fix this problem in the easiest, simplest, cheapest way, please help me out here. If not, obviously I will suck up the consequences of me making that mistake. Okay, so I just finished cleaning the Airstream. It was a pain. This thing is not easy to clean by yourself, so if anybody knows of any additional tools that I could use while cleaning, that would be incredibly helpful for me. So even though cleaning this is not necessarily ideal, at least I don't have to do it all the time, and once I'm done, I'm done. I'm happy, and it is nice and clean. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.